Wanting a medieval stay in Tallinn, not too expensive, I found in the heart of Tallinn's Old Town is one of the city's most iconic boutique hotels. This is Schlössle Hotel, where medieval charm meets quiet luxury. It's part of the small luxury hotels of the world and is also featured in the Michelin guide. Just a few minutes away is Tallinn's Christmas market at Town Hall Square, where festive stalls, mulled wine, and the Christmas tree welcome you as you wander through the streets. For Christmas Eve, I wanted to stay somewhere a little bit fancy, not too fancy, and experience a stay in a medieval building in the heart of Tallinn. Schlössle Hotel has carefully preserved its medieval character, stone portals, spiral staircases, and cozy chambers with all the little quirks of the original limestone architecture. Walking through it, you really get the sense of staying somewhere that's been around for centuries, yet still warm and welcoming. As soon as you walk in, the friendly staff greet you, help with your luggage, and there's a beautiful fireplace and Christmas tree right by the reception area. After checking in, they take your luggage up to your room, and we were offered welcome drinks. Of course, we picked Prosecco. It's Christmas Eve after all. We sipped our drinks by the fireplace before heading to our room in the next building across the courtyard, where the staff gave us a quick tour of our room and amenities. I booked the Superior Garden View room with twin beds. Here's a quick room tour. They carried our bags for us, by the way, which is amazing. Ooh, and you get robe. Next is the bathroom, which was quite spacious if you ask me. Next to each of our beds is an included bottled water, and on top of our pillows are chocolates. There's also a minibar inside the cabinet, but you'd have to, of course, pay for. Other than the bathrobe, you'd also get a pair of slippers. And for coffee and tea, there's a few Lavazza coffee pods and a coffee machine in the room for you to use. The next morning, going out for breakfast, I was surprised by a little Christmas gift and a note by our door, which I opened later in the video. Oh my god, so cute, you guys! Aww. Going back to the main building to the restaurant in the basement for breakfast, which was included in the stay, by the way. You can also have dinner here, but when we arrived, we were told that it was fully booked for days. So if you'd also like to have dinner here, please make sure you make a reservation early. We were shown to our table and asked for our coffee and hot meal orders from the menu. The included breakfast offered an impressive variety, from cereals and oats, to fresh fruits and, of course, pastries. There were also options for cheese, salads, and cold cuts. Along with several types of bread and a selection of juices. John ordered a flat white, and since it was Christmas morning, I opted for a hot chocolate. For our hot breakfast, John went for the Estonia breakfast, and I opted for an English big breakfast. We also ordered pancakes as our second hot meal. The portions here are quite small, so now I can see why the staff suggested ordering 2 each. After breakfast, I opened a small Christmas gift from the hotel. We got a pack of homemade candied nuts, candy cane, Kalev marzipan, and a mini bottle of Vanna Tallinn. An Estonian liquor made with rum and a mix of herbs and spices, which I thought was such a delightful surprise. Sauna time! Next was the early morning sauna I had booked, which was also included in our stay. The sauna itself was in the same building as our room, but is accessed through a different entrance by the courtyard. It is right at the bottom with a very low ceiling, so just be careful to not hit your head. Once you enter, there's a cozy lounge area before the shower and the sauna where you can relax, get some towels, water, and even tea. The shower area includes a sink, 2 separate showers, a bucket for the sauna, and the sauna entrance just to the left. The sauna was warm and quiet, creating a calm, almost private atmosphere that made it easy to fully unwind. It was a very relaxing way to start our Christmas morning. I truly enjoyed our stay, not only because of the room and the sauna, but also because the staff were incredibly accommodating and welcoming, making the experience feel extra special. Definitely one of my favorite stays. I hope you find this video very helpful in planning your trip to Tallinn. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more.